YouTube? It's your girl Brinks. Welcome back to the channel on a Sunday. We are making some, I guess you could say, a high protein ravioli, healthy ravioli, whatever you want to call it. But I found this recipe on Facebook. So it includes some cherry tomatoes, some asparagus, and ravioli, of course. I am going to be adding some shrimp to it. So it didn't include any type of meat, but I'm adding shrimp to it. It was just regular cheese ravioli. I found some spinach and ricotta ravioli. I love the Reina brand for ravioli. It just tastes better to me. Now, I did have a great value family pack that I was going to originally use just because it provides a bigger value of ravioli, just in case like you run out and you happen to need more ravioli. It comes in handy for extra servings, so to say. But it's just me, y'all. It's just me. They had the spinach and ricotta, which would go great with what we're doing today. And if y'all know me, you know in the past, whenever I made ravioli, I happened to mix it. They also had a mozzarella ravioli. Cheese, delicious, okay? Part of the sauce actually includes Parmesan as well. So we're going to be having some type of 3 cheese ravioli thing going on. First thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to be cooking our ravioli. Water already on boiling. So we're just going to go ahead and dump ravioli right on in. Let it cook. Both bags. Ooh. I'm doing this with one hand, y'all. One hand. So it's a little awkward. And we're going to let that cook. And my trash is overflowing, y'all. If y'all have been watching the channel, then you know that I am DIYing the kitchen. We just did the cabinets. We are currently on DIYing backsplash over the sink. Then we're going to be redoing the counters. The counter vinyl kind of matches the backsplash. It basically just ties in the cabinets with the flooring, so like it just brings everything together. So that's pretty much my goal. The counter, backsplash, and flooring, cabinets all together kind of come together with like all of this. So we're gonna just let this cook, and while that's cooking, we are going to be working on our sauce. So our sauce consists of, let's see, I don't want to drop anything. Put a little bit of salt in here. And give it a stir. So still gotta tighten up that cabinet. So our sauce consists of the Parmesan, like I was telling you guys. Chicken broth. It's really simple, but of course you guys know you will have the seasoning from the shrimp, of course, and then also there will be a lot going on with the flavors of the cheeses and the spinach and the vegetables. So we're just gonna go ahead and let the ravioli do its thing. I'm going to get back on the backsplash, y'all, and then I will be back. All right, guys, we're going to cook our shrimp with some olive oil. We're keeping the seasons really light. We use some Smack Your Mama, some onion salt, some garlic and herb seasoning, some garlic powder, and then we also use onion salt and onion powder. And that is pretty much all we're going to be using as far as seasoning is concerned. Our ravioli is done. We are going to clean out our strainer. We are going to drain the ravioli. We're going to put the shrimp and ravioli both in the strainer together. And then we are going to start making the sauce. Alright y'all, so I did this off camera. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to add your asparagus into your juice. I literally just added this to my shrimp mixture. The same juices that my shrimp cooked in because I wanted to keep the same flavor. And then you're going to cut up your cherry tomatoes. You're going to add that in with your asparagus. My asparagus is probably too done right now, but that is perfectly okay with me because it tastes the bomb. You're going to add some lemon juice, some more minced garlic. Once it is done, you're going to add some chicken broth. This is going to make up the sauce pretty much. You don't have to add much. And then to complete the sauce, you are going to add Parmesan. Now, I buy so much freaking Parmesan, it doesn't make any sense. So I literally have 2 bags that are already open. Well, I think. Yeah, I have 2 bags that are already open that I'm going to finish off first. Just going to check the dates on them. Okay, November 2025. And then I have this other bag that I'm going to finish off. We're going to mix this up. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add our ravioli in with the vegetables. And then this dish will be absolutely completed, y'all. So I will be right back after this is all together. Just wanted to jump back on here and show you guys what I did so far. No other seasonings was added besides, of course, the vegetables and the lemon juice and chicken broth, which you guys just see me add. And of course, some extra garlic. But that was it, y'all. So I'm going to add that and I will be right back. Alright, y'all, this was the final result. So apparently I thought that I had a big enough skillet, but apparently I didn't. But it overflowed still. This is delicious. I did overcook the asparagus. Still delicious. This was my plate and the end result. I tried to make it look as appealing as possible. It is now time to grow up. I would have been finished a long time ago had I not been too busy working on this backsplash over the sink. But that is going to be a couple more days before I get this kitchen finished. But I am almost done, y'all. Once I get that done, I will be rewrapping these countertops and then pretty much cleaning up the kitchen. I do have to lay down the rug under the table. But then the kitchen will be pretty much wrapped up. Then I'll be starting on the bathroom. And we will be going from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I will be seeing y'all. Bye.